Hey you guys, so it's a reason why we all up close and personal right now, and that is because we're gonna focus on my contacts. Now, I've had these contacts for a while, you guys. If you go back in my videos, you'll see that I have different colored contacts, but I've been wearing these particular ones for about, I would say, a good 3 months, and they're still going strong, and I'm gonna tell you all about them right now. So first we're going to start with the packaging. Now I did receive my contacts in a little gray envelope like this here. Hopefully you guys didn't see my address that quick. But yeah, it took about 2 weeks to get to me, and that was pretty fast because these are prescription contacts. And yeah, so I'm just going to show you the packaging, and I'm going to show you what you get in your package. So this is the box that the contacts come in, and I swear to you, I was about to say this is the box that your wig is going to come in because I'm just so used to hair reviews. But yeah, this is the box that your contacts are going to come in, and the name of the company is TTDEYE, and it says on the box, Seeing Different. Now, let me show you what you get inside of the box, okay? So that was just one box. I actually haven't opened up that one yet. Inside that box is, I believe, 2 pairs of contacts, and I'll be showing you guys those in a minute. But the first time around that I got these contacts, I received 2 pairs, the one that are in my eyes right now, which are called Queen Brown, and then I received another color, and that one was called You're American. That's funny. You're American. And they were like a green gray contact, but the story behind that real quick, my daughter got to them and I've never seen them again. So yeah, I apologize, you guys. I cannot show you the contacts that came in this box, and again, I apologize. So moving forward, this is the box that your contacts are going to come in, and of course you get these 2 little trays that contain 1 contact per tray. So you get those individual. They're inside of a liquid. All you do is peel it back, rinse out your contacts, and you put them in your eye. Now I also received some goodies. I got some stickers inside of my box. This is the inside of the box, you guys, by the way. So I'm just going through the box to show you guys what I got. So yeah, got some stickers. I believe this is some type of glitter for your eyeshadows. I'm not quite sure. I'm not touching that. So I received that one. It was like iridescent colors. And this one is like gold. If you guys know what these are, feel free to comment down below and let me know exactly what those are. And of course you get a cute little mirror, which is really cute. You get a lot of goodies in this freaking box. Like, I'm just realizing how much stuff is actually in here. Again, this is the box that the Queen Brown contacts came in. And, wow, a cute little note. Oh, you get a cute little note, and you also get like a coupon code inside of your box. Nice. Okay, yeah, you do some things. You post on Instagram and stuff like that. And you get some free products. According to this, they have giveaways and stuff like that. So don't worry, everything will be down below in the description box so you guys can check that out. So I don't know how strange this is, but I got a Christmas card. I don't think I've had these contacts that long. So yeah, the card says Merry Christmas. That's funny. Yeah, it just says Merry Christmas. I don't know, I guess they just wanted to throw in a whole bunch of little cute items. So let me get to one of the things that spoke to me, just was outstanding to me about this company and the stuff that you receive. You do get a little kit. Now this kit allows you to take out your contacts and put them in safely, and I'm going to show you exactly what I mean. And this is it, but I'm gonna go get the other part. That part is in my bathroom, so I'm gonna go get that really quick and come back and share with you guys and show you how to use these little things that I'm about to show you. So I am back, and this is the case that I wanted to show you. Now I like this because it's portable. You just throw it in your bag and you are good to go. Like sometimes when you're out, you know, for all contact wearers, sometimes you know, your eyes get dry or something might get in your eye and you might need to clean your contacts, this is actually really perfect to take with you on the go. And I'm going to show you exactly why. If I could just get it open. Here we go. So inside of here you get, of course, a contact case. Just store your contacts in here with some solution, and of course it has left and right on the top. Now that's what I was trying to tell you guys earlier. It's something very unique about this company. I've seen it on Instagram and I was, you know, pretty impressed, because a lot of us have nails. We want to, you know, find a safer way to put in our contacts and also a safer way to remove them. So this is a piece. This actually allows you to pick up your contacts safely, and this allows you to place the contact onto here, onto this little, it's like a little suction cup, and it's, I believe this is like silicone, and you just place your contact onto here, and then you can just place it in your eye safely. So as you can see, it's hands-free. So I'm not gonna do a demo of that, but I wanted, this video really was about the contacts and how I take them out and put them back in. I have really long nails and I use these tools every so often, but I think that the way I do it is just a little safer for me. And so yeah, I'm going to show you how I take my contacts out and put them back in, and I'm also going to show you 2 other colors. So just bear with me in this video. You guys know I love my contacts. They are prescription. I do need to see with them. So yeah, let's just get back into the rest of the video. So these are the Queen Brown contacts and I absolutely love them. All of their contacts are super comfortable and I can see very well. So I'm just going to show you guys how I take them out with long nails. These are my nails, you guys. They grow long. I cut them and they just grow right back. But yeah, these are my nails and they're super duper long. So what I learned how to take them out with long nails so that I don't scratch myself. Quick story. One day I tried to take out my contacts the old way, like this, and I ended up scratching my cornea, and I was in an emergency room all night and I just couldn't see. It was just horrible. So yeah, and I was messed up for about a good 2 weeks. I couldn't wear contacts. I had to wear my glasses, and that was a pain in the ass because I do makeup. So I just didn't want my glasses interfering with my makeup, but that's neither here or there. So yeah, I figured out a safe way to take them out, and I'm going to show you right now. Right now my hands are clean, and so we're just going to get started. Now, I use these 2 fingers to take my contacts out. These 2 fingers, and I use my actual fingers, not, I don't grab my contacts with my nails. I don't do this. I do this. So what I do is I make a peace sign, pieces. I make a peace sign and I just go into my contact where I can see and feel. I look into the mirror and I take these 2 fingers and I just go into my eye and I squeeze the contact out like that, and I just drop it in the case. So I'm just going to show you really quick. If you're squeamish, just fast forward this video. I'm only going to show you once, and yeah, this is how I do it. And it's out. So what I do is drop it in the case and we're done. And that was safe. It didn't hurt. Sometimes you don't get it on the first try, but just keep trying it. It's safe and it's better than scratching your cornea. Right now, you guys, I can't see, so I'm going to show you the next colors. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, leave them down below in the comment section. Make sure you thumbs up this video and let me know which one was your favorite. Yeah, I want to know which ones was your favorite on me. Let me know down below, and everything to these contacts will be in the description box, so please be sure to check there, and I will talk to you all later. Bye. Enjoy the rest of the video.
I've been working all the time like crazy, just to show you how I really feel. just wanna take a dive.